Number 3. Product review. Aquaphor Repairing Hand Masks. Aquaphor Repairing Hand Masks are a game changer when it comes to pampering and rejuvenating your hands. As someone who has tried numerous hand care products over the years, I must say that these hand masks have truly impressed me with their efficacy and results. One of the key features of this product is its convenience and ease of use. The hand masks come in a compact packaging that is travel-friendly and can be easily stored. The dimensions of the packaging are 6.1 inches, 4.57 inches, 2.36 inches, making it compact enough to fit into your handbag or toiletry bag without taking up too much space. Manufactured by Beiersdorf, a trusted name in the beauty and personal care industry, you can expect top-notch quality from the Aquaphor Repairing Hand Masks. The brand's commitment to excellence is evident in the product's design and formulation. Each hand mask is infused with a unique blend of ingredients that work together to provide deep hide,